The path of the Taiji Ball, harmonizing mind, body, and energy. Taiji Ball Qigong integrates physical conditioning with meditative focus. Using a ball, practitioners perform spiraling movements to open the spine, cultivate qi, and achieve mental peace. Holistic health benefits. Mental health rewiring reduces anxiety and depression by rewiring the brain through mindful, flow-based energy cultivation. Total body structural rebuilding strengthens the torso, spine, and joints while improving coordination through low-impact, functional movement. Cultivating Nei Jin, inner power. Spiral movements activate deep meridians, filling the entire body with qi, underswell energy. The three fundamental patterns: circling, opening the body, large vertical or horizontal circles that expand energy and open the larger joints. Rotation, joint refinement, rotating the ball on its own axis to refine the elbows and wrists. Rep coiling, spiral flow, advanced twisting actions using the back of the hand to facilitate spiraling qi flow. Progression guide for new practitioners. Training stage focus equipment. Beginner movement mechanics: empty hands, light ball intermediates, strength and qi flow weighted wooden ball advanced. Deep unity state heavy ball or water-filled ball.